my 81-year-old mom's caregiver, and I'm always on the lookout for products that are going to be good for her and that aren't going to mess up with her medicines or mess up with her diabetes. And she typically does need electrolytes, and so I was really excited when IQMIX offered to send me this variety pack of hydration packs to mix in water so that we could try them. There's 3 times the electrolytes that's in regular sports drinks with 0 the sugar. There's 20 sticks in a pack, and they have these 4 different flavors. My favorite is the Pina Colada. So we've been trying these in our water mix and really like them. They really have good flavor, and you just take 1 stick and shake it into your drink and shake it out like a shaker bottle or whatever you use. One of the things I like, and this is, I know it's kind of funny, but you don't even have to use a scissor to open it. The packets are really easy to tear, and I don't know if that's important to you, but I like it because then I don't have to go looking for this stupid scissors. Anyway, I really like the IQMIX variety pack, hydration pack here that they've given us. And like I said, my favorite is that Pina Colada, but the other flavors taste really good too. So if you're looking for a way for your family to get more electrolytes, give this a shot.